Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find favorites photos on your iPhone. Now, firstly, you can simply go on an album. Here you will be finding all the photos. There are two ways to find it. First way is to tap on that arrow icon at the bottom left facing upward and downward. And there you can see the option filter. You can simply tap on that. A list of options will appear. There you can see the option favorites. You can simply tap on that. And now you can see that the list of your favorite photos will be simply lined up. Now another way to find your favorites photo is you can simply go back. There you will be seeing pinned collections where you can see various albums. Now there you can see the option favorites at the first. You can tap on that. And here you can see all of the photos that you have listed on favorite. And these are some of the ways to find your favorite photos on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.